everyone, hope you all fine. So now we are going to learn some basic beats of parai. Before going to learn the beats, we should know the holding of the sticks. Okay, first this stick is called Sindu Kuchi. Okay, this Sindu Kuchi, how to hold in our finger. Take your left hand, okay, keep your fingers like this, and the back side of the stick should be on this finger, and the two fingers should be here, and the rest of the two fingers here. Okay, Sindu Kuchi, we have to hold like this, and we should move up and down, up and down. See, like this. So we should not hold here. Okay, we should always hold here only. So your fingers should move up and down. Okay, this stick is called Sindu Kuchi. Okay, so the right side, what we have to hold. See, the fingers like this, and the rest of the fingers should be first supportive. Okay, so we have to move like this. So we should not move our whole hand like this. Just we have to use our wrist. Okay, so like this. Here we have to hold the rope. No, we have to hang first the rope, then hold like this. So we should not carry like this. Just hold the parai and keep your left hand back side of your parai like this. So not like this. Here, this is the position. See, like this. Sindu Kuchi should occupy the half portion of the parai, not here, here, in up. Okay, so we have to beat like this. Okay, so the Sindu Kuchi makes the sound ta. Okay, ta, 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 ta. Okay, now we are going to beat this ta rhythm in 3 speeds. Okay, first speed, ta, 2, 3, 4. Ta, 2, 3, 4. So when we say ta, 2, 3, 4, we have to pass. When we say ta, beat. 2, 3, 4, pass. Ta, 2, 3, 4. Ta, 2, 3, 4. Ta, 2, 3, 4. Ta, 2, 3, 4. This is the first speed. Then the second speed, ta, 2, ta, 2, ta, 2, ta, 2. 2 we have to pass. Ta, 2, ta, 2, ta, 2, ta, 2. Then the third speed, ta, 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 like this. 16 times we should beat. Ta, 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 ta. Okay, then this stick is called Adi Kuchi. Okay, this stick is called Adi Kuchi, what we are holding in our right hand. Okay, here this stick always should be touched in this part only. Okay, like this. This stick makes the sound coo. Okay, first beat 2, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. Then the second speed 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, so the first beat is called ta. We have to beat ta in 3 speeds. Like that, the second rhythm, second beat is called ku. We have to beat it in 3 speeds. So 2 over, then we move on to the next. Okay, third to beat ta ku. Okay, ta ku. First beat ta 2 3 4. 2 2 3 4. 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 Second speed ta 2 2 2. Ta 2 2 2. Ta 2 2 2. Ta 2 2 2. Then the third speed ta ta ta. Okay, 16 times you have to beat for third speed only. First speed and the second speed practice for 4 times only. That's enough. Okay, move on to the next beat, which means the fourth beat. Ta ku ku. Okay, ta ku ku. First beat ta 2 3 4. 2 2 3 4. 2 2 3 4. Practice 4 times like this beat. Second speed ta 2 2 2 2 2. Practice 4 times like this. Third speed practice 16 times like this. Takuku 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 takuku. Okay, move on to the next beat, which means fifth beat. Ta ku ku ku. Ku should come for 3 times. So ta ku ku ku. First beat ta 2 3 4. 2 2 3 4. 2 2 3 4. 2 2 3 4. Practice 4 times. Second speed ta 2 2 2 2 2 2 2. Practice 4 times. Third speed practice this 16 times. Taku kuku 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 taku kuku. Okay, then the next beat ta ku ku ta ku. Okay, ta ku ku ta ku. First beat ta 2 3 4. 2 2 3 4. 2 2 3 4. Ta 2 3 4. 2 2 3 4. Practice like this 4 times. That is the first beat. Then the second speed ta 2 2 2 2 2. Ta chu, chu. This is the second speed. You practice 4 times. Move on the third speed. Practice 16 times like this. Taku kutaku, 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 taku kutaku. Like this, you have to practice for 16 times. That is the third speed. Then the next beat, deem. Deem. So for deem, the both stick should touch the parai. Deem. Deem. Okay. First speed. Deem 2, 3, 4. Deem 2, 3, 4. Deem 2, 3, 4. Deem 2, 3, 4. Second speed. Deem 2, deem 2, deem 2, deem 2. Third speed. Deem, deem, deem. So like this, you have to practice 16 times. Okay, beat 16 times for third speed. Okay, seventh beat, deem ku. First speed, deem 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. Deem 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. Practice 4 times for first speed. Second speed, deem 2, 2, 2. Deem 2, 2, 2. You practice 4 times like this. Then the third speed, 16 times you have to practice. Deem, 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 deem. Okay, beat like this 16 times. Move on to the next beat. Means 8th one. Deem ku, ta ku ku. Okay, deem ku, ta ku ku. First beat. Deem 2, 3, 4. Ku 2, 3, 4. Ta 2, 3, 4. Ku 2, 3, 4. Ku 2, 3, 4. Practice 4 times like this for first speed. Second speed, deem 2, ku 2, ta 2, ku 2, ku 2. Practice like this for 4 times. Then the third speed, deem, deem, practice 16 times like this.